Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel, Mikey's Automotive. Hola, bienvenidos todos a mi canal, Mikey's Automotive. Dobro pasado na mój canal, Mike Lucci Automobilny. So today we have a Volvo V50 2005. You guys can see I am holding the SEM module in my hands. Okay, we have to remove this from the vehicle. You can find it on the passenger side, behind the glove box. Okay, aquí como pueden ver, está el módulo SEM. Se quita todos los fusibles. Hay 10 clips que están deteniendo la cobertura. Okay, se saca el circuito. So as you guys can see, there's 10 clips all around here. So you can take the cover off, remove the circuit board. Just remember to take a picture of the fuses before you start removing them. I'm going to show you the area. The circuit board needs to be facing this way. Let me turn it around so you guys can take a better look at it. Como pueden ver, se mira bien bonito de atrás. Asegúrense que el circuito está mirándote hacia así, ok, como lo tengo, hacia recto, como lo tengo yo. Okay, I want to send a big shout out to UHS Hardware. Thank you guys. So you guys can see the area that we need an EEPROM. Okay, we're going to be using our APA 109 adapter. Como pueden ver, vamos a usar nuestro adaptador AP109. All right, you guys, so there's all the cables that we're going to use right there. Blue, black, yellow, and red. Okay, vamos a usar el azul, negro, amarillo, y rojo. So let me take a zoom. All right, you guys can see the area, those 5 dots right there next to each other. Como pueden ver aquí estos circulitos, aquí va a ir el azul, al lado el negro, un espacio, y luego el amarillo, el rojo. So you guys can see the blue's gonna go first, the black, we're gonna skip a space, the yellow, and the red, okay? And that's how we're gonna solder on our wires. Don't be confused by the other side because there's also 5 dots on the other side. Como pueden ver, hay 5 puntos del otro lado. No se vayan a confundir. Como les digo, tenlo como lo tengo, en la posición que yo lo tengo. So you guys, there's going to be a schematic on the auto, so don't worry, you'll be able to see it. Alright, you guys can see my red wire just popped out. Okay, I have to solder it back on. Como pueden ver, no soldé el alambre rojo muy bien. Okay, pero ya está todo terminado. Everything's finished, you guys. We're going to go back to our auto and get this started. Vamos a comenzar. So let's go ahead and go to our programmer. We're going to go ahead and read and save the data. So vamos a leer y guardar los datos. Okay, you guys. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to go to chip EEPROM. Okay. Vamos a ir a chip EEPROM. We're going to go to chip read and write. Vamos a ir a chip leer y escribir. All right, you guys. So we're going to go ahead and go to immobilizer. Vamos a ir a inmovilizador. We're going to go ahead and select Volvo. Vamos a seleccionar Volvo. Como pueden ver, aquí está nuestra selección. Now, you guys, there's 2 options right here. Okay, both of these chips are on our SEM. Estos 2 chips están en nuestro SEM, pero vamos a elegir el que está acá abajo. Okay, esta numeración, como digo, están en el SEM ya. So we're going to select the bottom one. We're going to go to EEPROM. Vamos a ir a EEPROM. Now, you guys can see there's our schematic diagram. Okay, our first option. Vamos a elegir la primera opción, que es nuestro diagrama esquemático, para que no los perdemos, para guiarnos de allí. Le pueden tomar una foto, dejarlo prendido cuando están haciendo la soldadura. Alright, you guys, so we're going to go ahead and take a more closer look at our schematic diagram. You guys can see the picture that I showed you guys earlier. Okay, that was next to when I was doing the soldering. Now, basically, it's telling you that you can use the APA106 wire harness for the XP401 and 400, but for the XP400 Pro, you have to use the APA109. Si están usando la XP401 y 400, van a usar el APA106, y si están usando el XP400 Pro, van a usar el APA109 wire harness. Alright, you guys, now that we are at the previous menu, we're going to go ahead and press read. Ya que estamos en nuestro menú anterior, vamos a leer el chip, toda la información, los datos, y guardarnos. Ok, lo vamos a guardar. So you guys, it's reading the chip. As you guys can see, this is all our data right here that we need so we can write key via dump. Como pueden ver, aquí están nuestros datos. Okay, so all those numbers are good. If you get all Fs, that is not really good. Okay, you guys need to read it again. So we're going to go ahead and press save. And we're going to save our data. Vamos a oprimir save y vamos a guardar nuestros datos. So now it's telling us that it's saved. Okay, we're going to press okay. Escape. So we're going back to our previous menu, and now we're going to go ahead and write key via dump now that we have our data and file saved. Ya que tenemos nuestros datos guardados, vamos a ir a escribir la llave. Vamos a escribir llave, otra vez volcado. Alright, you guys, so we're going to go to Europe. Vamos a ir a Europa. Vamos a elegir Volvo. We're going to select Volvo. We're going to select our model, V50, which is a V50. Vamos a elegir nuestro modelo, que es un B50. So as you guys can see, 2004, 2007, we're going to select this one. That's our chip. Vamos a elegir ese, 2004, 2007, ese es nuestro chip. So now it's real simple, you guys. All we got to do is go ahead and load the data. You guys can see we need a Megamos 48. It's telling us the location of the EEPROM chip. So como pueden ver, ocupamos un chip 48. Ya nomás ocupamos cargar los datos que guardamos temprano y escribir nuestra llave. So vamos a elegir nuestros datos. We're going to select our files that we saved earlier, you guys. Just remember which one they are. And go ahead and load them. So as you guys can see, data is ready. Okay, select the key number and make key to begin. So ya como pueden ver, ya están nuestros datos ahí cargados. Ya nomás dice que seleccionemos nuestra llave y la escribimos, nuestra posición. Okay, que va a ser número 4. So we're going to go ahead and write key number 4, you guys. And then we're going to press make key. Make sure that you have a good 48 Megamos chip. Okay, we're going to select our key number 4. We have our Megamos 48 chip. We're going to insert in our XP400 Pro. Tenemos nuestro chip Megamos 48. Seleccionamos posición 4. Ahora vamos a hacer llave. We're going to go ahead and make key. We select position 4. Add a key, key number 4. Yes. Vamos a seleccionar sí. Va a ser la llave número 4. It's writing key, as you guys can see, 70%. Está en 70%. Está escribiendo la llave. Dice, por favor, esperen. Alright, guys, just go ahead and bear with me. So as you guys can see, we're gonna go ahead and save the file. It made a file of the key. We're gonna save it. Hizo unos datos de la llave en posición 4 y los vamos a guardar los datos que hizo. So now the key is ready. All we gotta do is go ahead and write those data that we saved, that file that we saved. And we're going to go write it back onto the chip, onto the SEM, okay, onto the SEM microchip. So ya que guardamos nuestros datos de la llave que escribimos, que hacemos en posición 4, vamos a agarrar esos datos que guardamos ahorita otra vez y lo vamos a escribir para atrás al chip. So we're going to go to chip, we're going to go to chip read and write. And like I mentioned earlier, we're going to go ahead and write the files back onto the chip. So we're going to go to mobilizer, vamos a ir inmovilizador, Bobo, we're going to go to Bobo. We're going to go to SEM type, the bottom one, okay. We're going to go to EEPROM, vamos a ir a EEPROM. Now we're going to go ahead and write, vamos a ir a escribir. Now we're going to go ahead and open up our file that we just wrote right now for a key. We're going to select that file and we're going to write it back onto the chip. Vamos a seleccionar esos datos que apenas acabamos de guardar ahorita con la llave nueva y lo vamos a escribir para atrás en el microchip. Don't select the first file that we saved, you guys, when we read it. because that doesn't hold the value for the fourth key. Okay, so select the one that we just made with the key, the one where we wrote the key. We're going to press OK. Ya que seleccionamos nuestros datos de nuestra llave que escribimos. Ok, vamos a oprimir OK. No seleccionen los primeros datos que guardamos porque eso no tiene la llave escrita. All right, guys, so now our key is ready. We're going to go ahead and try it onto our vehicle. Everything's ready to go. We're going to go ahead and try it out. Make sure it starts the vehicle. There's no problem. Ok, como pueden ver, ya escribimos todos nuestros datos. Nuestro chip ya está listo para nuestra llave. Vamos a calarla, vamos a asegurarnos que sirva y prenda nuestro carro. Perfect, you guys. Success. As you guys can see, our vehicle is on already. Got our special key. Okay. Alright, you guys, thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit like, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, join, become a member. We are going private next year. Gracias a todos por mirar. Si te gustó este video, denle un like, suscríbete a mi canal, háganse miembros hoy. Haroshi Batenia, Paka, Das Vidanya.